When you start learning Rust, one of the first confusing things you will see is this. Whenever we want to uh, consume an input from a user from standard input output library, we'll do something like this in our program. So, so let's run this program. And for user input, we're gonna type something like, let's type hello. So it will gonna print hello in its length. So its length will be 5, but when we hit enter, let's see what happens. As we can see, we do get hello as expected, but we get length of 6. But if we see our word hello, it has only 5 characters. So why are we getting 6 character length? So some of you might be wondering, is this a bug of Rust? uh, Actually not. This is not a bug of Rust, it's actually a logical bug which we have to fix it. But before fixing it, let's discuss why is this happening. So whenever we type something in standard input output library, let's say we type hello and we hit enter. So it does not actually append hello to the standard library. It also appends uh, enter keyword, which is Newline. So in memory, if we so what will be stored in the memory? It will be stored something like this will be stored in the memory. So for that reason, we are getting the length of 6. So uh, how can we avoid this? Uh, so to avoid this, we can use a method called trim. So what trim does is trim actually removes the white spaces, tabs, and new character line. So let's do that. And let's also print trim input and its length for comparing. And let's again run our program, and again we're gonna write hello. So as you can see, this is our uh, input without trimming, and this is our log with trim input. So for trim input, we are getting the correct length of 5. So why is Rust doing like this? Why it's also appending new character line? So the reason because is uh, Rust saves us from memory bugs, but it doesn't save us from logical bugs which we have to fix. So for that reason, we have to trim our input from standard input output library. So let's take another example. In this case, we'll again take a string. Might In this example, we're gonna take a digit, but let's give the name of my digit, because standard input output library always accept string, nothing else. So let's use standard input output library. So now we are gonna print our number and its length. So let's run our program and type number called 4. So as you can see, uh, we are getting our number and its length 4, but it's actually number. We shouldn't get a length. To fix this, we are gonna use method called parse. Oh, okay. This parse method is returning result type. So let's use expect. Sorry, let's use 100. Yeah. So now if we try to print our number, we'll get a proper number. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you.